let's start with what is Salesforce integration. So yeah, first of all, let's talk about what exactly is an integration. Integration is nothing. I mean, it's like connecting two or more applications or systems together. Why would one integrate or connect two different applications or systems together? Multiple reasons. But typically involved with two things. Number one, data. If you want data to be transferred from one application to another, or one system to another, you want an integration. And the other reason why you would want to do that is whenever there is something that happens on system A or application A, you want something to happen onto application B or system B, right? So in any of these situations, whether it involves data or just an action, in both of these situations, you would want to do an integration. And the world that we live in is absolutely integrated. If the world is integrated together, you also need to make sure that your business is integrated with each of its department, considering all of the different applications and systems that you use in your business to manage and run your business. And that integration should be done the right way, especially when it is involving Salesforce as a CRM. So that's the second thing that we're going to talk about, that what exactly is Salesforce integration. Whenever you want to integrate Salesforce or any of the Salesforce cloud with any other application or any other system, we'll call it as Salesforce integration, right?
Yeah.
All right. So like, let's say you have some legacy systems, you have some payment gateway applications, you have some customer support platforms other than Salesforce or Service Cloud. And you want to integrate all of that with your Salesforce CRM. So in that case, you'll do Salesforce integration. Now let's talk about the key challenges. By the way, would you like to add something into it?
So whatever you said is definitely it is. And basically Salesforce integrations, like to add more to it, it's difficult to go after you what you have explained everything. So
I think I explain it in the easiest form possible.
Yes, it was easiest form. But yeah, Salesforce integration is basically leveraging the Salesforce CRM capability and empowering with different critical data that you might be holding in different platforms and different integrations, which helps you different things. Maybe sending out email notification or sending out some kind of calling event or some things like that. So definitely.
All right.